In this video, we will take a look at some real-life scenarios where EBI FileReader Server can be used. Optimize your storage by making content searchable and compliant. Provide your employees with a centralized document conversion service. Integrate EBI FileReader Server with your existing systems using a REST API, or customize it by using scripts. Let's see how EBI FileReader Server prepares documents for long-term storage. Our archive contains files of different formats. Let's take a look at one of the files. This file contains several contracts. The first page of each contract has a barcode. The program uses these barcodes to separate the file into several documents and then sorts the documents according to their barcode values. Now, let's optimize our storage. Wait until all of the archive has been processed. The results will be saved in the SharePoint library. Folders with barcode values will be created. The documents will be converted into PDFA files. A transparent watermark will be added to each page. The SharePoint library has now become fully searchable. Let's see how the centralized document conversion service works. An employee sends a document to a special email address. Within seconds, the employee receives an email with the converted document attached. You can set up network folders to convert documents into different formats. Put the image files that need to be converted into the input folder. The conversion results will then appear in the output folder. EBI FileReader Server can also be integrated and customized. It offers a REST API for easy integration with your digital archive or enterprise content management system. The Web Service API demo shows the different methods for processing documents. You can use scripts to customize any of the workflow steps. EBI FileReader Server supports .NET languages as well as JavaScript and Visual Basic Script. Ready to optimize your document-driven processes? Start your free trial today.